What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to remove Microsoft Family login pop-up. If you're having this problem, the first method is to use your Windows R button, and when this pops up you're going to write in services.msc, click on OK, and this will bring up services. And here in the services window you want to locate Microsoft Family. And right here you're supposed to see Microsoft Family, but if you don't see Microsoft Family, we will be trying method number 2. But if you're seeing Microsoft Family features, you can right click on it. And then when you click on it, you're going to see properties, click on it. And then you're going to locate the startup type. And then we're going to change manual to disabled. And when you do that, you can click on apply to fix the problem. As we mentioned earlier, if you don't see Microsoft Family features as on my PC right now, you can try the second method. So for the second method, go over to your taskbar, right click on it, and then select Task Manager. Then you're going to go over to Services. Then we're going to search for WPC Mon SVC. Right click on it and then click Stop to stop it. Then you're going to close this up and then refresh the page and come back here. And then still here on the WPC Mon SVC, you're going to right click on it, go to Open Services. And then when you're here again, you're going to look for Parental Controls, currently in R. And here we can see Parental Controls P. Right click on it, click in Properties. And then we're going to change the startup type from manual to disabled. And when we click on disabled, we'll have the option to apply it. When you click on apply, you can press OK, or if this disappears, you can expect the problem to stop. So this is how to remove Microsoft Family login pop-up.